Hello, Nolan.
Hello, Michael. How are you today?
I am doing good today, Nolan.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. All right, all right, all right. I start
What the? What's up, guys? I know that little video in the beginning made no sense at all, but a lot of times the things that go on in my head make no sense at all. So today I'm going to throw together a little video for you. I'm putting the Stator side of the Raptor together. Now, if you watched the last video, we did the clutch side, put all the clutch plates in and stuff like that. We put all the gears in, the counterbalance gears, and all those components. Now, some of you were making comments telling me that you wish that I had included more information, more detail, which I could do that stuff, but it's going to take forever to go in depth and make an instructional kind of educational video or tutorial on how to do all that stuff. So I did the abbreviated version in depth with some of the detail, like with the clutch and the full fiber clutch mod that we did. But the same thing is going to go for this video. It's going to be, you'll get to see all the stuff that I'm doing, but I'm not going to explain everything. And that being said, before I dive into this motor, I want to let you guys know that I changed my Instagram name to Michael Sabo 350. It would have been Michael Sabo, but some suckwad already has that name and doesn't even use Instagram. No, but actually, I really don't care. So for now, my Instagram is Michael Sabo 350, and Facebook is still ATV Crazy 91. I'm going to see if I can get that one switched to Michael Sabo 350. That'll be my new tag, and you guys can check that out. I like to post stuff up on there, especially if it's been a while since I've been posting any videos. I will put updates on what is going on in the shop. It's not going to be anything like crazy detail, but I'll usually let you know when a new video is coming out, or if it's been more than a week, I'm going to let you guys know why it's been more than a week, so you know what's going on. Speaking of what's been going on, life has been really busy outside of YouTube, and I haven't had as much time as I wanted to work on YouTube, so I apologize for some short content, but I'm still working on some stuff for you guys, and sooner than later, I'm going to be freeing up a lot of my schedule so I can post up a little bit more in-depth and longer videos, and hopefully more frequent videos. So now that we covered that, let's get the Stator side of this Raptor 700 all together, and then we can hop to the top end in the next video. All right, guys, let's get to it. Quick tip, guys, if your flywheel isn't pressing onto your starter bearing, when you're pressing forward, roll your starter bearing, and that'll help it push onto it because it's actually locked up in the back. It's a one-way bearing. You can see this way it can't spin, but the other way it can spin. So if you spin it in the way that's free, your flywheel will usually slide right on. Alright, we are getting close here. The whole bottom end is together. Went together pretty smoothly. Got everything tightened up, torqued down. I did clean up everything internally. I know you guys are going to be giving me crap for not cleaning up the cases, but this is not going to be a show quad. I'm going to be riding this quad. So I did clean up a good amount of stuff. Like I said, the interior inside the engine is super clean. I went against the oil mod for these things. It actually goes on this side. You drill a little channel here and put a jet, and it's supposed to squirt oil up at the wrist pin of the piston. And I just I don't know, I didn't think it was necessary, not for this build, so I decided against it. Plus I really want to get this thing all done. Okay guys, I'm going to call it there. The bottom end of the motor is completely together. I actually have the motor all together now. I already did the top end, where there will be a top end video coming out next, and included with that might be mounting the motor in the Raptor 700, and at that point it's going to be like dominoes, you know, all downhill from there, and the Raptor 700 is going to be all together. We're going to be able to fire this damn thing up. And I know a lot of you guys are concerned about the Banshee, wondering when the videos for that are going to be coming. They will be after the Raptor 700, but before I go, I'm going to give you a little bit of candy and show you something that I got done on the Banshee. So you guys remember this piston that was grenaded out, really chewed up the domes in the Banshee head, basically toasted that Trinity top end. I got in contact with Trinity. They did not want to make me new domes. They don't carry those anymore. And basically they just were not able to or willing to help me out with that. So I was looking at being down about $250 and having to buy myself a new cool head. But with the help of a good friend, God damn it, would you look at that? Yeah, man. I got this thing milled. 2 millimeters were milled out. You can see the one that the damage, there's still little speckles, but I think it's going to be just fine. I took 2 millimeters. Well, I didn't do it. This is thanks to my good buddy Matt Jones, who is hands down one of my best friends. What'd you say, Matt? Who put this oil filter on?
Jiffy Lube, Pep Boys, fucking impact gun driving lube tech pieces of shit. Not necessary. Ever.
The guy helps me out so much, and his family helps me out so much. His pop actually did this. The guy's a master machinist, and I kind of left it at his house one week and just mentioned what I was thinking about doing with it, pretty much taking it as a total loss, and, you know, if he could fix it, that'd be awesome. If not, the part's shot anyway. So he surprised me, and a week later, sure enough, he took 2 millimeters out. So this will be plenty good for our 4 mil long rod. Did you say 4 mil? What? You need an extra 2 millimeters cut out at the top of the domes to compensate for those pistons, or not the pistons, the longer rods. So the throw of the piston is going to be a little bit longer. That's why this has to be 2 millimeters higher. Now they also make plates that you can put below the cylinder, but that moves up your ports and everything and can hinder your performance. So this is really the way to go. I'm pretty happy about this. And like I said, these little tiny marks up here I don't think are really going to affect anything. We're not building like a pure race bike or anything. This is really going to be nice. I'm super stoked to use this. So once again, thank you, Mr. Jones, for helping me out here. Really appreciate that. You're saving me a lot of money. And of course, thank you, Matt Jew. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you like this content. There will be more stuff coming in the future. I will see you guys in the next one, and enjoy your week.